Hi, my name is Patrick Corder. Today here I'm in MarineMax Stuart, and I'll be showing you a 2023 350 Realm by Boston Whaler. One of the new features we have with this boat is the naturally aspirated V10s by Mercury, which would bring this boat up to 60 plus miles an hour. It's a great ride. We also have some beautiful new cushions to show off for the 2023 model. Great color, as you can see. One of the unique features to the Realm is the ability to kind of mold the boat on how you're using it. As you see here, I have the sunshade out, a nice huge aft lounge seat, as well as the midship jump seats that can kind of transform to how you're using the boat, as well as a grill and sink with storage underneath. So here we have a transformable cockpit. Like I said, we have the new feature of the color coordination for the cushions. We can transform this helm seat around. Footrests on both sides, as well as AC for the jump seats. So as you see here, as we move towards the helm station, you'll notice the weather curtain package here. We're going to have digital throttle for the Mercury, as well as a joystick. A fridge option here for the captain. And the new addition to Whaler, Simrads. As you make your way down the cabin, right here to my left, we're going to have a wet head with a shower head option. Beautiful spacious area. Close this. Behind me we'll have a two-part couch lounger that will form together and make a bed. Nice huge area down here to get away from the sun. Here at the bow we have beautiful lounge seating, about room for 5. This table here will go down and turns into a beautiful casting platform. So if you need to catch your bait in the morning, you have tons of space. As well, if you're doing any fishing up here at the bow, it makes a nice area. Or again, for entertainment purposes, lounging to hang out with your friends and share a glass of wine. Thank you again. My name is Patrick Corder with MarineMax in Stuart. If you'd like to see this beautiful boat in person or schedule a sea trial, you can give us a call at 772-287-4495. Thank you and have a wonderful day.